Rejoining us on the program is Chief KahnawakeTV Sky Deer, who has one of the more, work-intensive portfolios here at the MCK, the membership portfolio. We get back into the hearings, what with the delay with the passing of Lori Jacobs, and now we get back into it. So we got to not start over, but kind of go back to an issue that's been really, we've been spinning our wheels here at the hearings. Tell us about that.
Yeah, when the membership department first proposed amendments to the law, part of the issue was the definition of great-grandparent, that it was very vague. So once and for all, we needed to have this tightened up so that there would be a clearer understanding of when an applicant goes through the process. Who is a great-grandparent? You know, what is the criteria? It wasn't very clearly spelled out. And now that we don't have the Council of Elders, you know, the community had agreed to have the registrar empowered to approve applications. We have to have this finalized once and for all. And I think this is going to be the 5th meeting that we're discussing this. And because it is such a fundamental aspect within the law, you know, we want to get it right. And I had gone on the radio a few weeks ago and talking to people about what exactly is being proposed by the community. And, you know, we tried to get away from blood quantum by putting in 4 great-grandparents, but it seems that blood quantum is kind of sneaking its way back in. So I'm hopeful that we could find some kind of resolution the meeting on Tuesday evening at the Golden Age Club. So I'm hopeful that other people, you know, will come out and at least hear what's being discussed because, as I said time and time again, membership affects everybody in this community one way or another. If not right now, potentially your future generations. So we all have a vested interest.
The discussions themselves have been pretty intense, and you know, there's been. It seems like there's movement in one way, then let's go this way, let's turn that way. What's it going to take to finally get this nailed down, you think?
Well, that's why, you know, it's called community decision-making process, and it gives, you know, the power to the people to make decisions. But as the portfolio chief, I'm also there to advocate on behalf of the collective and the community that can be present so that the decisions that are made, you know, you consider the big picture. And I'm just hopeful that we can get some resolution and hopefully, you know, blood quantum and such a high criteria doesn't have to be put back into the law as we move forward.
All right, so it's going to be, again, the same agenda that's been going on for a while, but hopefully there will be some resolution on this. The meeting will be Tuesday at the Golden Age Club, 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. And again, even if it's a nice day, take a couple of hours out and help this decision get made. KahnawakeTV, thank you very much for joining us.